Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to share some thoughts with you. I recently was having issues with the front tire here, constantly losing air. Wasn't a lot, but over a course of like a week it would be significant. And I didn't see any punctures, I did the water test, I didn't see any issues. And then I thought about the stem, and that's where the problem turned out to be, was in the stem here. So today I just wanted to show you what I did. This is already after the fact. But what I ended up doing was buying this kit on Amazon because I needed to remove the stem somehow. So I bought this kit here. It was like $6. Came with all these accessories. I mean, you can't beat it. Different size thread removers here, replacement threads, and then the caps. So I removed the reason, and the way I knew it was the thread, the easy way was, when you remove it, the thread, and you could put your finger on here for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and when you remove your finger you'd feel like a little pressure, like psst, like that. So that's how you know it was leaking from here. So then what I did was I removed the thread, and you could see it right here, the valve. I mean, see all that gunk that's there, and that's what prevents it from getting a good airtight seal. So I went ahead, replaced it with the replacement here that they sent, tightened back up, tested it again like I told you guys, with just by holding it down. I mean, it's not a scientific test, I'm not an expert, but that's what I just did. You could obviously spray some water on it with soapy water and stuff, but that's my quick way of doing it. And I released it and there's nothing, and now no problems. Then I'll close this back up and we're good as gold. Anyways, just thought I'd share it with you guys just in case you have an unexplained leak. That might be one of the reasons. And this kit, I'll have a link in the description. It was $5.99 on Amazon. I mean, I don't think you could beat it. Comes with all these accessories. This is what I was looking for mainly with this. All this extra stuff is just gravy. Okay guys, let me know if you have any other questions. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.